Feeling stressed? Well, it's normal with all the things happening all around the world. Calmigo is a small device that helps you relax naturally. I definitely need this, also my brother. Clinically tested, it combines breathing guidance, soothing scents like peppermint, and calming vibrations to ease anxiety in just minutes. Next, let's talk about this pool lounger that glides at up to 3 miles per hour. It has a comfy backrest, lower back support, and cup holder. Dual motors and enclosed propellers make drifting safe. These days, we have drones everywhere, and this one is impressive. Whether it's freezing at minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit or scorching at 104 degrees Fahrenheit, it's out there helping rescuers track lost hikers. It has thermal, infrared, and daylight cameras, plus a phone tracker. I found Perfect Trainer. It has high-quality VR flight simulator for planes and helicopters. It pairs professional controls with the XTAL3 headset, offering 4K visuals and a 200-degree view. Zip through city streets in the Yo-Yo, a tiny electric car that can squeeze between two bikes. Its 20 horsepower motor hits 55 miles per hour, and the battery lasts up to 93 miles. Wahoo shoes are comfort and smart. Air-filled heels let you adjust through an app, perfect for walking or running. Sensors track your steps and movement, giving tips that improve over time. Lunaset Pro is perfect for freediving, underwater swimming, or just gliding through the water for fun. Its blade moves like a dolphin's tail, letting you move through water like a fish. ProDrone is a single-rotor drone for professionals in logistics, disaster response, security, and large area monitoring. Powered by a gasoline engine, it can fly up to 2.5 hours, carrying 33 pounds. Forward to Analyze Effie, a laundry machine designed to dry and iron up to 12 items of clothing simultaneously. To operate, hang your wet clothes on standard hangers, load them onto Effie's pull-out rail, and press start. The machine automatically pulls in each piece and removes creases using a bar that runs over the fabric,